Alright, in this video we are going to see how to add the privacy policy to your Wix website. So this should be a very straightforward process here, guys, but just make sure that you follow every single step and just try this by your own. Now first of all, what you need to do is just click on this left corner where you will see this pages and menus option. Just click here, and after that you will see this add page option. Just click here, and now you can click on the blank page, and you will see and notice that it will insert a blank page for you. Now you can just name it as privacy policy and click done. But this site menu has a lot of menus, so you need to drag it all the way down to the bottom. Now what you can also do is just click on this three dots right here, just click on the settings, and you can also hide it from the menu. This is what we want to do here because we don't want to show it on the main menu tabs. Now we need to go in here. So just click on that and it will show you this blank page right here. Alright, now that we have inserted it, we will click on this add elements section, which will take us to this add elements group. And from here, just select the text, and under the text, select the paragraph and choose any style you want. Just click here and it will insert a paragraph. Now, what we need to do is just add a privacy policy here, but we don't need to write it. We can get it for free from the free private policy generator. You can search it on Google. Let me just do it. Now you can just search on Google free privacy policy generator and it will show you many websites. But the one I prefer is www.freeprivacypolicy.com. Just click here. Now just select for what you want to use it. I want to use it for the website. Click on step 2. Just add the URL. Now you can just click publish and get the URL and paste it right here. And you can write the site name, which is, let's say, my site. Entity type, I'm an individual. You can enter the country details, enter the state, click next step, and you can specify what you want from the users. Whatever you select here, just select a couple of steps and just click yes here to upgrade the privacy policy. And just click here, no, I don't want a professional privacy policy, just a generic one. So let's enter the email where you want to receive that and click generate. Now, as you can see on the right, we have the privacy policy. All right, now I have taken a sample of the privacy policy. I have pasted here just the specific part. Just you can select that, double click and paste it. And after that, you need to add a title here. So click on add elements and click on text and select the small title. Now for this purpose of video, I'll just enlarge this, but you have to keep it small. So just write here privacy policy. And after that, you need to link it. Just select that, click on link. Now let's click on page. And from here, we will choose the page of the privacy policy. For example, this one, and click done. Now, if you want, whenever someone clicks on it, it should open in a new window, or if it should be open in the current window. I'll keep it current window, click on done. So that's how you do it. Now I have covered in detail in the course how you can create this privacy policy on Wix. So you can check that out in the course as well. So with this said, this is how you can add the privacy policy on Wix.com. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.